Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So I wanted to share about a website that I think is awesome. It's great for all Cricut users, and it's like a little secret. I don't know if a lot of people know about it, especially if you're new with Cricut and stuff like that. It can be overwhelming. So anyway, the website is Creative Fabrica, and I'll leave the link below. And I'm not affiliated with them or anything like that. I just wanted to share a great resource, and I think this is a great resource. But what I use it for is right over here in the corner, there's Freebies, and I love Freebies. So they have fonts, free SVGs, free graphics, free embroidery, and free classes. So I'm going to just kind of touch on each area and show you how you can download. Okay, so let's start with free fonts. And you'll just click on free font. And they have a whole bunch of fonts. And I've downloaded a lot of them. Let's go ahead. I'm not sure if I downloaded this one. This is super cute. So let's go ahead and see if I did. But if not, I'm just going to show you how to do it. But before you download anything, I think you do have to create a username and password, but it's completely free as well. But then you'll hit download when you're in the fonts, and it will go ahead and download. And then you'll need to double click and hit install. Oh, yay, I didn't have that. Cool, I'm glad I clicked on it. And if this will download, and you'll be able to use it on your computer like Word, and also on Cricut Design Space. Anytime you download a new font, you just need to make sure to close Cricut Design Space and then reopen it in order to see the font. I guess that's just a way to refresh it. So just wanted to let you know that. So that one's pretty easy. So let's go back. Here, this pops up as well after you download the font, and they are just, asking if you want to try something for $1. I always hit maybe later. Okay. So that's how you download all the fonts. Okay, so next we'll go back to Freebies and click on free SVGs, and just kind of scroll down and check it all out. So I'm going to click here. What you do from here is you're going to click download. And then you'll go here, and I click maybe later. And then you'll go down to where it saves. And what I like to do is I like to click on the control button, and I click on here, and then I click on there, and I will right click, copy, and then I'll copy it to my desktop. Okay, so next I open up Cricut Designs. I'm going to click New Project and then Upload, and you click Upload and then Browse. And here is the black version, and I'm going to hit Upload. Upload again, browse, and then I'll go back to the desktop, and then I'll double click, and here's the color version. So I will hit upload, and that is how you upload one of their SVGs. Next, we go back to the freebies, and we click on free graphics, and we scroll down, and let's go ahead and do this. It's so cute. And we're going to hit download. And then we're going to open it. And this is all of those. That is a lot. These are all JPEGs, and we're going to save all of these to the desktop. And the way I do that is I just right click and I copy, and then I go over to my desktop and I paste it. And then I open it on my desktop, and the easiest thing to do is to go ahead and click on the shift button and then scroll all the way down, and then the Control C to copy it. And then I'm going to go over to my desktop and create a new folder. I'm going to call it hearts. And then I'm going to right click and I am going to paste every JPEG from that file into hearts. So you'll see it right here. And the reason I'm doing that is, let me go ahead and show you. If you're in the Cricut design space and you click upload and you go to browse, if you were to search for the folder, the zip folder, which it is Valentine's, and you double click, you can't upload anything, and it won't even let you double click to get into the folder to download the JPEGs. So that is why I create a new folder, and I will go back to Cricut Design Space, click on Browse, and I'm going to double click on Hearts, and I'm going to double click on this one, and I'm going to click Complex and Apply and Continue. So then you would click on Print and Cut, and I'm just going to hit Upload. Back to Upload Image, Browse, and I'm going to go ahead and do the next one and Apply. And these are great, the Print and Cut. I'm actually going to be doing a video soon on Print and Cut, and we're going to use these graphics. So if you see some really cute print and cuts, I would go ahead and save them, and we might be able to use them on a future project. Okay, so I'm just going to continue loading these up, and then we'll go ahead and move on to the next freebie. And we're going to go back to Freebies and click on Free Embroidery, which I actually don't use the embroidery, but if you do, it would just be the exact same thing. You would just click on the image and you would do download, and I would save it to the desktop. And you can see here that these are different files. So I'm not familiar with these files since I don't embroider, but if you do, this would be a perfect resource for you. And let's go back to the freebies, and we'll click maybe later, and let's go to free class. And I have only taken, I think, 1 or 2 classes here, and it was pretty good. So all you do, let's see which one looks good. Let's just do this one, how to begin machine embroider, which I don't do, but that would be neat to do. But let's click here just to kind of show you how you would use the class. You would enroll for free. And I don't want to click enroll for free, but if you do, you just enroll. And then the way it was for me last time is once you enroll, you just hit play, and it's just kind of watch it at your own pace. If you have any questions, you can ask questions. It's not live, it's pre-recorded. But I think there was an email last time, and you could comment, ask questions, and that's it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today and found it useful. And I hope maybe if you hadn't heard of Creative Fabrica and all the great resources, that you learned something new. And always thank you for watching. If you don't already subscribe to my channel and you think it's right for you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below, comment, like, share, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.